Welcome to this lesson on double bonds. A double bond is a fundamental concept in chemistry that describes how atoms connect to form molecules. In this video, we'll explore what double bonds are, how they differ from single bonds, and why they're important in chemistry and biology. A double bond is a type of covalent bond that forms when two atoms share two pairs of electrons between them. That's a total of 4 electrons being shared. This is different from a single bond, where only one pair or 2 electrons are shared. The sharing of 2 pairs of electrons creates a stronger connection between the atoms. In chemistry, we use different symbols to represent different types of bonds. A single bond is shown with a single line between 2 atoms, like a dash B. A double bond, on the other hand, is represented by 2 parallel lines or an equal sign between the atoms, like a equals B. This visual difference helps us quickly identify the type of bonding in a molecule. Double bonds are found in many important molecules. Oxygen gas, which we breathe, has a double bond between 2 oxygen atoms, written as O equals O. Carbon dioxide, the gas we exhale, contains 2 double bonds, one on each side of the carbon atom, written as O equals C equals O. Ethene, also called ethylene, is a simple organic molecule with a double bond between 2 carbon atoms. Double bonds have several important characteristics. First, they are stronger than single bonds because there are more electrons holding the atoms together. Second, double bonds are shorter in length compared to single bonds. Third, it takes more energy to break a double bond than a single bond. Finally, double bonds restrict rotation around the bond axis, meaning the atoms cannot freely spin around like they can with single bonds. A double bond is actually made up of 2 different types of bonds. The first is called a sigma bond, represented by the Greek letter sigma. This bond forms from head-on overlap of atomic orbitals along the bond axis. The second is called a pi bond, represented by the Greek letter pi. This bond forms from sideways overlap of p orbitals above and below the bond axis. Together, these create the double bond. To summarize the structure, every double bond consists of exactly 1 sigma bond plus 1 pi bond. The sigma bond provides the main connection between the atoms, while the pi bond adds extra strength and restricts rotation. This combination of 1 sigma and 1 pi bond is what gives double bonds their unique properties and behavior. Double bonds play crucial roles in chemistry and life. They are essential components of organic molecules and biological systems. Double bonds help determine the 3-dimensional shape and geometry of molecules. They also affect how reactive a molecule is and what chemical properties it has. In nature, double bonds are involved in vital processes like photosynthesis and cellular respiration, making them fundamental to life on Earth.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.